First Texas Homes is happy to announce that we're celebrating over 30 years of home building tradition. To celebrate our history of building quality homes for families all across the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex, we'd like to invite you to participate in our First Texas Rewards program for 2022. First Texas Homes will include up to $3,000 towards a Nebraska Furniture Mart gift card and shopping spree when you use our preferred lender, the American Dream Team Branch 681 at Supreme Lending, to close on your new First Texas home, Gallery Custom Home, or Harwood home. Plus, at the American Dream Team Branch 681 at Supreme Lending, we are so confident in our low rates that if we can't beat another lender's rate, we'll pay you $5,000. In addition to your $3,000 gift card, your Nebraska Furniture Mart shopping spree offers additional savings, including up to 50% off suggested retail on furniture, outdoor patio, and accessories in-store and online. We'll also include free curbside delivery and a personalized shopping experience with our Design Center team to assist you in making the perfect selections for your brand new home. So don't delay. With more than 50 communities across the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex, simply visit one of our great communities or visit our website at www.firsttexashomes.com. And while you're visiting one of our 50-plus beautiful models across the DFW Metroplex, make sure to fill out one of our TV giveaway forms before you leave. Check out last year's winner.
Congratulations, Gloria and Master Sergeant William Butler. You have won the 65-inch TV from First Texas Homes and the American Dream Team at Supreme Lending. Congratulations.
Yay! Thank you, Nebraska Furniture Mart. Thank you, American Dream Team. And thank you, First Texas Homes.
This can be you.